This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Nasomist XP Pediatric Nasal Drops is specially formulated to relieve nasal congestion in children. These drops are effective and safe when used as directed. Indications and uses. These nasal drops are primarily used for alleviating nasal congestion caused by conditions such as common colds, sinusitis, and allergic rhinitis. They help to clear the nasal passages and provide temporary relief from inflammation, swelling, and discomfort. How it works. The drops work by narrowing the blood vessels in the nasal passages, which reduces swelling and allows for easier airflow. Directions for use. For optimal results, instill 1 to 2 drops of the solution into each nostril 1 to 2 times daily, or as prescribed by a physician. Ensure to clean the dropper after each use and to discard any unused portion 28 days after opening to prevent contamination. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include nasal dryness, irritation, or a burning sensation after application. If any side effects worsen, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider. Precautions and warnings. Those with pre-existing conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, or heart issues should exercise caution when using this medication. It is not recommended for children under the age of 6, and consulting a healthcare professional prior to use is advised. FAQs. 1. What is the use of Nasomist XP Pediatric Nasal Drops? It relieves nasal congestion caused by colds or allergies. 2. Can these drops be used daily? Only use as prescribed, do not exceed 7 days without consulting a doctor. 3. Are there any side effects? Yes, common ones include nasal dryness and irritation. 4. Is it safe for children? Yes, but must be used as directed, especially in those under 6. 5. How quickly do they work? Relief is typically felt within 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. We appreciate your feedback.